Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to do the super secret giveaway real quick for the little mini journal that I made out of the vintage bread bag. And I have already put in the URL for the video, and I have filtered duplicate users, and I already have the comments generated, and there were 31 unique commenters. So let's go on down here and we'll hit start. So good luck, everybody. All right, the winner is Terry Fitro. Congratulations, Terry. And she says, I love that you used a tall, skinny bread bag and that the sari silk goes with the red and blue of the bag. Glad your puppers are doing better. Thank you so much, Terry. And I want to thank everyone for all your lovely comments on this video. I didn't mean it to be a pity party when I was talking about my mojo being kind of gone and all of that, but you all had very kind things to say, so thank you for that. Terry, if you will look in the description box below, you will see my email specifically for giveaways, and you can just send me an email there with your address. If you'd rather, you can also go to my Etsy shop and send me a message there if you'd rather do it that way, and I will get this mailed out to you as soon as I hear from you. All right, guys, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your weekend, and I will be back soon. Take care, guys. Bye.